What if I told you that in 2026, you no longer need to waste hours scrolling through websites and social media just to stay updated, because this one tool can organize the entire internet for you automatically? Today, I'm showing you how to use RSS APP, one of the most popular RSS automation platforms right now. And honestly, this tool feels like having your own personal news assistant. RSS APP is basically a website that lets you collect updates from websites, YouTube channels, blogs, Reddit pages, Instagram accounts, podcasts, newsletters, and many other sources into one clean feed. So instead of checking 10 different websites every day, you can track everything from one dashboard. When you first open RSS APP, the setup is surprisingly simple. You just create an account, click Create Feed, and paste the link of the website or social media page you want to follow. Within seconds, RSS APP automatically generates a working RSS feed for that source. One thing people really love about this platform is that it works even with websites that normally do not support RSS anymore. After creating your feed, you can customize it by filtering keywords, changing layouts, combining multiple feeds together, or even creating widgets for your own website. One of the coolest features in 2026 is the AI Brief tool, which can summarize large amounts of content into short updates, so you can quickly understand what is happening without reading dozens of articles manually. This is super useful for creators, students, businesses, crypto traders, researchers, or basically anyone who consumes a lot of information online. Another great feature is automation. You can connect RSS APP to Discord, Slack, Telegram, email tools, Zapier, and Make, so updates get sent automatically wherever you want. For example, if you run a Discord community or a news page, this can save a huge amount of time. Based on user reviews online, most people say RSS APP is very easy to use and extremely useful for content monitoring and automation. A lot of users also praise the customer support team because they respond quickly and help fix issues fast. But to keep this tutorial honest, there are a few downsides too. Some users report that social media feeds can occasionally stop working because platforms like Instagram and X constantly change their systems, which affects automation tools like this. Others think the premium plans can feel a bit expensive if you only need basic features. Still, overall feedback is very positive, and many users say it saves them hours of manual work every week. My final opinion is that RSS APP is one of the smartest productivity tools you can use in 2026 if you want to organize information faster and stop wasting time jumping between websites all day. It is simple enough for beginners, but powerful enough for businesses and creators who need advanced automation. If you want to try it yourself, start with the free version and see how much time it saves you. And if this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next AI tool you want me to review.